So this is the traffic that Nate said was only gonna last a half of an hour. It's only half a mile up, buddy. We are an eon away from our location. We will be driving straight to the worst trail ever and then just hiking a bit. What happened, man?
Dude, we stopped to pee and I got seed ticks. When I mean everywhere, dude, I mean like I looked down and I was like, that's not seed ticks.
Look at this. It is freaking 3 o'clock in the morning and this place is stone cold packed. I breathed in a giant bug climbing. Look at how many people are out here. Number 1, it's gorgeous. Number 2, it's cold. Number 3, it's probably gonna rain. There we go. We're beginning. We're 40 minutes behind schedule, so we'll see about making that up. Yeah, Nate was tired. Yeah, right. I'm sleepy. Yeah, somebody had to drive. I slept the whole way, so I'm in great shape. So far, the Presidential Traverse has not let us down as far as how steep it is.
We are a few miles in to the Presidential Traverse on our way up to Madison. We got a quick little glimpse of it and it is really cool looking.
All right, we're climbing. We're going up. Where's this one? Mount Madison, yeah? Look at these views, guys. This place is amazing. And what I would like to note is that there's no easy way to come see it. That's the special part. No just driving up and getting out. You gotta climb this thing. We like to call it an ankle buster. This is how the whole trail is, guys. It is just this rock slide.
Everyone up to the top of Adams. Can't see it from here, but right on the other side of that little peak is Madison, and it has been just a rock smash.
That view is not to be trifled with. Boys are in high spirits. That last hill, that last hill might have taken our legs.
There we are. Going up Jefferson. And it's terrible. Well, we're up at the top of Jefferson. Man, this freaking place is beautiful. Rocky, steep, tough climb, but worth every step. So, this is Mount Washington. We summited. Got us a little bite, some little Powerade. Got a little boost of motivation. On the trail, guys are up there. And it's kind of a desolate, just rock wasteland right here. on the saddle.
Heading up to Eisenhower. Just came. We hit Franklin out of respect. But didn't need to, but wanted to. And then before that, we had Monroe, which is one of our favorites. And that over there with the little tiny specks on the top of those people, that's Eisenhower. So, top of Pierce. How we doing?
Oh, feeling it.
Yeah.
Good, we've been running.
We've been running.
We've been running.
We were running. Top of Pierce, we got one more, I think Jackson. You're bouncing. Where you're bouncing. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. All about them logistics.
I'm all about not back there.
Old girl probably knew something we didn't know. I said old girl probably knew something we didn't know.
Dude, but we weren't that far behind you.
Yeah. Okay, what you doing? Good, Joe, what you doing? Just hit Jackson, last president of the Presidential Traverse. Now we gotta head back.
Crawford Notch is 5 miles.
Ooh, nice. There's a little hut over here. This is the type of stuff you're climbing the whole entire way. It's a good time. So, we're running right now because we're only 4 hours behind. Based off of Mad All Trail data and really diverse / dynamic terrain.
Rolling up on the end of the Presidential Traverse. We have completed. We're at Crawford Notch. We're gonna look for our ride. Our amazing friend Sherry.